Oh, Mom, I think the news is starting. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my God, there's gonna be a hurricane? Yeah, Mom, in less than 3 minutes. Oh, okay. We have to be prepared. Okay. Oh no, all the lights went out. Oh my God, what are we gonna do, Mom? I don't know, sweetheart. Okay, just stay calm. Okay. Let's check outside first. Mommy, I'm scared. Me too, Mommy. It's okay, baby. It's okay, guys, okay? Okay. Let's go check outside and see what's happening. Okay. Oh, yeah, we're done for. This is bad. Okay. Okay, guys, so we have nowhere else to hide. So we have no choice but to go to a store or to go to Grandma's house. But Mom, didn't you forget? Grandma's over there all the way in Texas. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. What are we going to do then? Okay. Okay, guys. Everyone just stay calm. Okay. Grab the baby. Okay, Mom. Calm down. Okay, everyone, go get your stuff. We're going to the store or I don't know where we're going. Just grab your stuff. But Mommy, I don't want to go by myself. Okay, Adriana, go with her. Okay. It's okay, guys. It's just gonna be a little bit of rain. No, it's not. We know what a hurricane is. You don't, cause you're dumb. Excuse me? Yeah, you heard what I said. Lily, don't even start beef like you don't want to. Oh, yes, I do. Oh no, you don't. Who cares? I'm not even gonna grab my stuff. You have to get at least an electronic or something. I'm scared, but what are we gonna do? I don't know. Mom and Dad have a plan. I don't know. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. And who turned on this TV? Okay. Okay, guys, we gotta go now. We don't have much time, okay? I wonder how we're gonna do it. What the? Oh. Oh my God, why is she texting me right now? Like I'm doing a video. Okay, guys. I want to text her so that way she won't text me again because she needs to know that I'm doing a video. Cause I literally told her yesterday. I was like, I'm doing a video. Wait, what? Doing a vid. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, guys, let's go. But Mom, we don't even have our essentials. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna go rent a house. Who's carrying? Oh my God. I mean, like, it's okay. She's so sweet. It's... Oh. Okay. But Mom, to what house? I don't know. We're just gonna go to a hotel, okay? But we have to pack our stuff. Fine. You guys better hurry up, though. I mean, we do have to pack our stuff, low-key. Okay, guys. Hurry up. Please hurry up. We don't have time. This house could literally fall on our heads any minute now. But, Mom, this house is literally built of bricks, right? Well, that's what you think. Oh, my God. Did I just tell her that I'm doing a video? Okay, Adriana, you go pack. We'll pack the baby stuff. Okay. Okay, Lily, pack all your stuff. But Mom, I don't even know where my iPad is. It doesn't matter. You have an electronic. Oh my God, where's my... I'm gonna cry, Mommy. I don't know where my stuff is. Oh my God. Really, why do you have to be so annoying? Not the mom being rude. What am I supposed to wear? Oh, my luggage is in the car. Mommy, but my luggage is in the car. Oh my God. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, just you please pack. Okay. Okay. Mom, I don't even have a suitcase. It doesn't matter. Just use your backpack. Okay. What am I even supposed to bring? Guess I'm bringing all of this. I didn't even want to. But all because my mom is being so dramatic. Okay. My stuff. Okay, just leave your little toys here, okay? Okay. Where are all these dang... whatever. Just gonna have to take this, I guess. Since... and I need to pack the baby stuff. Oh my God, we're gonna be so doomed if we don't hurry up. Okay. Nothing else. Oh, yep, these diapers, but either way, we're gonna take them. Okay. This is done. Where the heck is the mom? Oh, she's right here. Okay. I need to go get my toothbrush. Well, what am I supposed to do now? Oh, my hands are literally taken. Okay, guys, if you guys are done, then go downstairs, okay? Please. Okay, Mommy. What are you guys doing? Packing, dum-dum. Oh, sorry. Oh my God, this video is gonna be so long and I don't plan it to be long. Okay. I should have a suitcase somewhere here. Okay. Perfect. I don't even care. I'm just gonna pack all my clothes. Adriana, don't pack all your clothes. Too bad. I already did. Alright, but I don't pack again. I need my wallet, that's for sure. And well, I mean, it's gonna be one day, so I don't need skincare. Oh, these cats. I forgot about. Where are the cats? Okay. I guess they're... I don't know where they're at. I guess it's just gonna have to be here. And so... work on, because I don't know where these cats are. Okay. Okay, guys, everybody just calm down. We just have to wait for Mom and Dad. Adriana, come help us. Oh my God. Why do I have to do everything up in this house? What, Mom? Excuse me? Is that a way to talk to your mother? No, geez, I'm sorry. Here, take this. And now we're leaving. Okay. Where are the cats? I don't know, Mom. That's what I was trying to look for them. Well, that's not our fault if they get electrocuted. They should have never been hiding. And I don't even have time to be looking for them, so. Okay, guys, let's leave. Oh my god, how many times am I gonna have to open this? Okay, now it's not even closing. Okay. Okay, let's go now. Oh my god, it's so rainy outside. I know. Everybody just calm down, please. Where's my luggage then? Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out if I don't find the... I almost started crying. But whatever. Okay, we need to hurry up, all of us. Mom, I forgot to pack my toothbrush. It doesn't matter. We're gonna come back in the mornings either way. Okay. And Lily, where did you leave your bag? Mom, I don't know. Okay, I guess we're going back to the freaking store since you want to lose all your stuff. 5 minutes goes by. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Oh my god, this girl, she's gonna drive me insane. And what did I say? But now where's the cats? Bop City. I didn't know there was a Bop City. Okay, there's your luggage. Okay, yeah, we're going to the nearest hotel. And the bougiest. Okay, guys, let's go. Here, Lily. Thank you, Mom. Okay. Let's go now. Okay. Going here. Okay, where exactly do we come in? Oh, in here. Oh, what the? Mom, there's no one working. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to get a room because there's nowhere else we could go, so. But Mom, that's practically trespassing. No, there we are trespassing. We're gonna get the cops called on us. Well, too bad. Mom, weren't you literally the one telling me, don't ever steal, don't ever trespass? Okay, that was in my innocent era, but I'm not innocent no more. What do you mean? Oh, girl, I've gotten arrested several times. Mom, you're... Oh, my God. I don't even know what to say about you. What do you mean? You're just... I don't even know what to say. Okay, guys. Go to your guys' rooms. Me and Dad's room is going to be here, okay? Okay. This is going to be your room. You go upstairs. There's just stuff in there. Ooh, this is nice. I'm just gonna go to sleep. It's way too night to stay up. Here's our guys' stuff. Ugh. Okay, that's rude. She doesn't have to be that rude. But whatever. Poor baby stuff. Poor baby, why should be living this life? And now where am I supposed to go? I don't even know my way around this hotel. But I guess if something happens to me, that's not my fault. It's their fault for being bad parents. Oh. Poor kid. I feel bad. What the heck? What is this room? I guess I'm gonna sleep in here. I hate my life. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be the end. And, yeah, know you guys matter. Know you guys are worth it. And, yeah, bye.